BabyBus.
Come on!
Hurry! I can't hold it any longer!
Don't give up. I'm almost there. A bit right. Right, to the right. Do you understand left and right? Sorry, so sorry. We'll get your egg back right now. Got it! It's all your fault!
Huh? What's this? Wow! A lucky egg! This must be a present for me! Wow, how beautiful!
The egg is on top of the tree. What should we do?
Someone's coming! Get down!
Oh! Wow! You did a good job. Keep hanging the lights. Oh! I'm going to make dinner.
He's gone. Let's go over there. Be careful. No! Aha!
It's a bone!
Hank, are you okay? I can't reach it. I have an idea. No, I'm not tall enough.
Let me do it.
No! I have an idea. Okay.
What are you doing?
Launch me to the top of the tree. Left. A little to the right. Left. I said left. Here's the egg.
Kiki!
My string lights!
Look, it's the egg.
It cracked! What should we do?
We still have to give it back.
Dow, are you finished? Dow!
Mommy bird, I'm sorry. Here's your egg.